Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Are you looking for a wireless gaming mouse that can keep up with your intense gaming sessions? Look no further. Today, we're diving into the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed Wireless Esports gaming mouse. This lightweight mouse is designed for claw or fingertip grip styles and comes packed with best-in-class technologies. First off, let's talk about the HyperSpeed Wireless technology. This cutting-edge feature ensures a lag-free and responsive gaming experience, giving you the competitive edge you need. Next, the Focus Pro 30K optical sensor provides unmatched precision, allowing you to track your movements with incredible accuracy. The Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed also features on-mouse DPI control, giving you quick access to adjust your sensitivity during gameplay. And let's not forget about the impressive battery life. Up to 280 hours of continuous playtime means you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. One aspect that truly sets this mouse apart is its mechanical switches Gen 2. With a 60 million click lifespan, you can trust the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed to withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. In conclusion, the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed Wireless Esports gaming mouse is an excellent choice for anyone in search of a high-performance wireless gaming mouse. With its lightweight design, top-tier handling, and advanced technologies, this mouse is a must-have for serious gamers. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to elevate your gaming experience with the Razer Viper V3 HyperSpeed Wireless gaming mouse.